Hello, I'm Dan Buffington. I'm on the faculty at the University of South Florida Colleges of Medicine and Pharmacy, located in Tampa, Florida. I've just completed my first term on the APHA Board of Trustees, and I've been nominated to run for a second term. It's been a tremendous opportunity and an honor to serve APHA and our membership in this role. I'm committed to ensuring that the following topics remain top priorities for our profession. First is achievement of national provider status. This means having pharmacists included in the Medicare Part B eligible provider status section of the Medicare law. This is an essential step to facilitating functional billing math for pharmacist clinical services, both in current and future medical reimbursement models. Second is expanding medical billing and coding training for our profession, with the goal of addressing changes surrounding Incident to billing, new multidisciplinary code sets, integration into ACOs and patient-centered medical homes. Third is expanding the state scope of practice definitions and electronic health records access. I also represent pharmacists on the AMA's current procedural terminology, or CPT, editorial panel, and I'm working at CMS as a medication safety officer within the healthcare reform team. We've built critical and productive relationships with the AMA and CMS during my last term. I want to thank you for your confidence, and I'm asking you for your continued support for re-election to a second term on the APHA Board of Trustees. Thank you.